Hey guys, today I wanted to make a video on two indicators from Mr. Z, Zeiierman Trading. There was a comment left in one of the YouTube videos asking to make this YouTube video, so here we go. So please leave your comments and I'll make more videos on any indicators you would like to know more about. So I cannot pronounce the candlesticks correctly, so forgive me. I've been corrected and corrected and corrected many times, and then I just I cannot get the pronunciation correct. So I just call these mathematical candlesticks, okay? But you guys know what I'm talking about. These arithmetic, mathematical candlesticks, okay? So here we go. My candlesticks are gray, all right? So that way you can easily see the candles, the actual price candles, and these wonderful candlesticks. All right, so you can easily do that. You can come over here to the eyeball and visual order. You can click send back. All right, so that way these candles are always on top. And look how nice and clean that is. All right, so you can get actual price with these nice candlesticks on there. All right, so an easy way to do it. Another way to do it, and I saw this in the Mr. Z Discord the other week, is you can just go into line chart, right? And you can just do that. And then you have, come over here, and you can do close, high, low, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to go into that now. And we're just going to put this on two charts, all right? So come up here, click on this layout right here, and here we go. So we have a 15-minute, and we have a 1 minute. So the first thing we're going to just do is we're going to look at what are these candlesticks. Well, the candlestick color is in red, all right? So if the candlestick colors are in red on a 15-minute time frame, then just come over here to the 1 minute chart, and what I think you guys should do is change this to a high. All right? We only need to look at the highs, and we're looking to enter on the highs. So anytime the market makes a lower high, we're say when the candles are red here, we're going to look to go short. All right? So right now the candles don't match the 15 minutes, so you can just wait for the candles to match the 15-minute, wait for this to be red, and you're all set. So you can just do that. So we'll do some examples real quick here. So I put my cursor where this candle on the 15-minute is red, and you can see here everything is red. All right. So what's your trigger? How do you enter? Well, again, we have this line chart set on a high. So it comes up and it makes a high. You can take that short. If not, it comes up and it makes that high. Take that short. I know the candles closely turn green there for a little bit, but the trend line's still red. So I would look at that trade. Now, something that can help you with your emotions is if you add on the Onsen Discovery, and I just have it on default. So if you have the Onsen Discovery is red, the candle's red, then you're just looking short on the 1 minute. Okay? If the Onsen Discovery is green, the candles are green, you're just looking long on the 1 minute. Okay? And then if you're looking long on the 1 minute, just come over here and just change this to low. So that way you can easily see all of the lows. All right? And if you don't like that, then, just change it back to candles and just have your gray candles on there. All right? We have the Onsen Discovery down below as well. So when everything matches on a 1 minute, everything matches on a 15-minute, all right, you can pull the trigger. Just, again, make sure you have your risk management plan in place for when you pull that trigger. All right, it's not too much to cover. Most of you should know me by now. I like things very simple. The simple, the better. The simpler it is, the more repeatable it is and sustainable it is. So just keep it. This video is just going to be short and sweet and simple. So candle's red here at 8:45, and you can see it's red here as well. So you can look to take this trade. All right. I would really pay attention to the trend line here. All right. It's not that the candles turn green for me, but it's that the candles and the trend line both turn green. So you gotta have the trend line the same color for sure. So if these candles turn green, all right, but this trend line is red, don't worry about that. But if they both turn green, then depending on your risk management, you would want to be looking to get out of that trade. So if you guys have any questions about this, just put it in the comments, please. I feel bad because it is a short video, but it's, short, sweet, right to the point. Now let's add on the range and trend to this. So there we go. What I did was I changed it to short term. So it's on short term there. That's the only change I made. And again, the candles are red. The onsen is red. So we're only looking for sells. And there you go. There's one right there. So for me, I would like to look to enter this trade. If you want a lot of extra confirmation, guys, well, that's simple. Just wait for the candles to be red as well, and wait for the onsen discovery to be red at all as well, and everything matches on the 15. Whatever's on the 1 minute matches the 15-minute, and then as soon as you get a signal from the range and trend, you take those trades. So just like this one, boom. Right. All right, so that's the video. Very short, sweet, to the point. If I hope you guys liked it, please leave in the comments any questions. If you'd like me to add something to this video, I can do that. If there's something that you would like me to add to the video, I can. These candlesticks are on default as well. So yeah. All right, guys. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.